Hi there! Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to capture and manage receipts in QuickBooks Online. Navigating your finances can often feel like steering a ship in stormy seas. However, with QuickBooks Online, capturing and managing receipts becomes a breeze, providing a lifeline for keeping your financial records organized and up to date. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just getting started, having an efficient way to handle receipts is vital. Let's dive into this process and explore how QuickBooks Online can simplify your financial management. To kick things off, let's start with the basics. Make sure you've got your receipt ready. You'll want to capture a clear image of it, and this can easily be done using your smartphone or any device with a camera. This flexibility means you can snap a picture of a receipt wherever you are, whether you're at the office, at home, or even on the go. Once you've captured that clear image, it's time to log into QuickBooks Online. On the main interface, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll spot a section called Transactions. This is your go-to area for managing receipts and other financial documents. Click on Transactions, and you'll see several tabs appear. The one we're interested in is labeled Receipts. This special section is dedicated to organizing all your incoming receipts, offering a centralized hub for all your documentation needs. Moving forward, it's time to upload your receipt into QuickBooks Online. You have a couple of options here. You can click the Upload button or take advantage of the drag and drop feature by dragging your receipt image into the designated upload area. If you're using a mobile device, you might find an option to upload directly from your photo gallery, making this process even more efficient and seamless. Once your receipt image is uploaded, you can leverage one of QuickBooks' standout features, the AI-powered receipt creation tool. This intelligent tool automatically scans your receipt and populates the necessary details for you. It's a remarkable time saver, efficiently extracting transaction specifics like the date, merchant name, and amount, and entering them directly into QuickBooks. This significantly reduces the need for manual data entry. However, as useful as technology is, it's not infallible. It's always a good idea to double-check the filled information. Go over your receipt details to ensure everything matches your physical receipt. If you notice any discrepancies or if the AI didn't capture all the information accurately, don't worry. You can manually edit any of the details right within the platform, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with your original transaction. Capturing and managing receipts in QuickBooks Online becomes not only easy, but also highly efficient. By keeping your documents organized this way, managing your finances becomes a less daunting task, and you'll always have accurate records at your fingertips whenever you need them. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to capture and manage receipts in QuickBooks Online quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to capture and manage receipts in QuickBooks Online, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.